one saying God became a man, or the one who shaped with his very own hands an idol of wood, rock, and mud and called it his God? Or what about the one who believes everything, yes, every atom even, is God? Don't listen to them, they are obviously confused. You're confused, so badly confused. Come and listen to the truth coming from God himself. There is no God but the one, and yes, the one. This one is none but him, Allah alone. Yeah, Allah is the only true God. Let's bow to this truth, let's bow to Allah alone. Let's become brothers and sisters, a big family of humankind, as it always was meant to be. Allah, Allah, Ya Allah, 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 La ilaha illallah, illallah, Allahu, Allah, hey, Allah, Allah. Yes, this is the true God, and only Allah deserves to be worshipped. So brothers and sisters, stop worshipping others but Allah, cause the truth is, there is no God but Allah alone. Allah, Allah, Ya Allah, 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 La ilaha illallah, illallah, Allahu, Allah, hey, Allah, Allah, Allah. Embrace Islam and say, Allah, Allah. Put your foot on the straight path that leads you and all of us to the Creator, the Rabb of the worlds. Leave all the darkness behind and run to the light. May the light always surround you and illuminating your life. And remember what Allah says: when my servant comes one step towards me, I will come 10 steps towards him. And when my servant comes walking to me, I will come running to him. That's how beautiful our Creator is indeed. What are you waiting for? Come, come, come to Allah, your and my God.